Alright guys, this right here is a MDK padlock. It's a little brass one with a long shackle. Hope you guys can see that. Let me take a look here. Yeah, that's good. Anyway, I'm going to pick it. This is a twist flex tension tool. This right here is a slim hook. It's about a medium. It's real nice. I like this. Not too fond of the real flimsy handle, but I got little tricks for that. This is just the one that I grabbed. So here we go, it's locked. And this does have security pins. I never actually seen one of these locks until HBK sent this to me. So then I did a little research on them and found out they got a couple spool pins. Some say there's 5 in there. Couldn't find anything to back that up, but I do know they're in there because you get a false set and you know when you're picking the lock what's going on. So I'm just trying to right now get the cylinder to false set. There. No, that wasn't it. That was something though. Okay, just false set. See that? Now once it's false set, you go in there and find the one that has, it's real stiff, but the bottom pin is not flimsy. And you slowly let go of your tension, and then you push that pin up. There it is. MDK.